Hello, my art viewers. Welcome back to my channel. You are seeing the art of inside impressions, and this is artist Bhavna. Today's topic is milk and mocha. Yes, the milk and mocha are really cute in the thumbnail, right? So, in order to draw that, you need to watch this video. So, this is completely real time video, and you can draw and experiment with me. And a little bit different change here, we are trying color pencils on our favorite couple, milk and mocha. So you are already seeing the outline, and the complete outline will be real time, and the enhancement process will be of time lapse. So you can completely enjoy, and if you want to see more milk and mocha videos, you can subscribe to my channel and you can enjoy more videos on my playlist milk and mocha. And this outline is done using 0.5 mechanical pencil of artline brand, and you can see my measurements. So I'll do just rough measurements before drawing, and see how I'm measuring from like this to like that. So this is a way of calculating things and then applying on the paper. So I'll not prefer doing the calculation in the air, but I try to just observe the things and then apply on the paper. So this is the best technique for me, and you can try this technique so that the outline will become accurate and perfect as the reference image. So if you want to try grid line method also, you can see my videos so exclusively on grid line. Yes, full portrait playlist you can watch there. From grid line to the final result, everything will be real time, and you can try and draw and you can send it to me. Then I'll make a video on your results and the observations and the errors and all. So give it a try and do send it to me. In this way, we are using mechanical pencil completely because you can draw thin strokes, whereas you can erase and you can make several changes easily. If you prefer the HB or 2B or any other pencils, the strokes will be really thick and you are gonna miss the things. So please avoid doing with pencils. Try using mechanical pencil. Here you can see I'm using tombow mono 0 eraser. So if you don't have it, you can directly use a normal eraser, not an issue. Okay, here I want to make the thin adjustments like in small region, so that's why I used tombow mono 0 eraser. You can control your balance and you can use normal eraser. It is not at all issue. So here the cute milk bear is sleeping, and that illusion we need to create. So that's why we are drawing first her body, then we'll come back to her hands and something else in her hands. So let's see what to do. And if you want to try this artwork, I'll provide a reference image below. You can really enjoy doing this minimal arts, and this is so relaxing and soothing, and you can definitely enjoy when you are applying colors. And I'm really tired of doing this graphite on milk and mocha, so that's why I prefer to add little colors to them so that it makes them more beautiful and interesting too. So if you don't have colors, you can use like a color pens, or you can use like different glitters and all. You can make like, if you have this black, red and blue normal ball pens, you can apply. Definitely you can apply using that. So here I'm going to use this white gel pen too. If you have gel pens also, you can happily use them. So once you are satisfied, then you can purchase color pencils and all. So I hope everyone will have the color pencil, so you can give a try. And our favorite mocha bear, so let's see how he's looking to milk, and let's draw his illusion effect. So this illustration is really good. Yes, here Mocha Bear is wearing cute little hat, but it is little bit huge hat. Yes, I hope this is huge hat to him, and he is really tiny, but the hat is really big. So let's see how the hat looks. So I hope you can understand how big it is. Our Mocha bear is always cute and he is always calm. But Milk is really opposite to the Mocha, and she'll always irritate Mocha. This is really good, right? So, yes, and she wants what she wants. And if anything is wrong from Mocha's side, she'll be really angry bird and she will really shout at him and she'll scold at him. And yes, I guess. So I'm really huge fan of this Milk and Mocha. If you don't know Milk and Mocha, give a search in the search engine of Google. You'll get plenty of bears, Milk and Mocha, different series on YouTube too. And I hope you are really enjoying my Milk and Mocha Bear playlist, and I want to do more Milk and Mocha Bear. So please stay tuned and stay connected, stay positive, stay happy, stay healthy, and happy learning. And do watch the enhancement process too. So I'm almost done with this outline, and I hope it is really cute bear, right? They are looking really cute. I really love and I really admire them. Please watch complete video, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap the bell icon and do watch the video completely to know the enhancement process and all. The final results are super interesting. So bye for the day and stay safe.